Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the scrambled eggs. Now, I'm using the Hebrew National hot dogs. It's the only hot dogs I prefer to use when it comes to processed food. So this is the brand I use, but be sure to use whatever brand you like, or you don't have to use hot dogs. You can simply use herring or something else or nothing at all. And I also have that with bell peppers and onions to add to my scrambled eggs. For the seasoning that I'm using Creole seasoning and a little bit of adobo. I'm a family of 5 as always, so I'm using a carton of eggs. In a bowl, go ahead and crack your eggs. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know how to make scrambled eggs. I just wanted to show how I make mine. So if you want, you can make it my way, or you can continue to make it your way. Now I'm going to remove the calaza, that is the proper term for it. It's said that it is perfectly healthy to eat, but I don't know any Haitians who leave it in their eggs. But as usual, it's completely up to you. I'm choosing to take mine out. Now I'm simply gonna take my whisk and I'm going to give this a quick whisk. Once it's all in there, I'm gonna add my seasoning in, and then I'm going to stir it and then whisk it. If you want, you can add your seasoning after your eggs is cooked, but I prefer to add my seasoning in there first. Then in a pan, I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to add my hot dogs, bell peppers, and onions that I had shown earlier, and then I'm going to get that to saute for a good minute and a half, and then I'll go ahead and add the eggs in. Okay, so now I'm adding my eggs in. Now for me, I like to break it apart as it cooks, and the reason being is because we typically eat this with boiled plantains like I showed in my previous video. If you have not, I'll put that link in the description box. But because that's how my family, that's how we eat it, so as my eggs are cooking, I like to stir it and break it apart so it could be easier. That way, with every piece of plantain you eat it with a spoonful of scrambled eggs. And I also prefer it that way too if I'm choosing to make a sandwich, but it's completely up to you how you want yours to cook. You can just let it cook and have a layout of the pan itself, or you can break it apart like I'm doing right now. And that's pretty much it, guys. Another easy recipe for you all. If you know someone who doesn't know how to make scrambled eggs, pass this video along to them. Be sure to comment and subscribe to my channel. As usual, guys, I really love you all for watching. I thank you for all the support. I'll see you on my next video.